visit Extended channel. This is class Latent. I'm continuing to introduce Extenics. I always use my new book, Extenics Logic of Innovation. It is use the short article step by step to introduce the whole theory of Extenics. Every time I will repeat again what is Extenics. Extension theory, extension innovation method, and extension engineering forms a new science named Extenics. It is an original Chinese new science discipline which studies the possibility of extending things, rules, and methodology of development innovation with formalized pattern for resolving contradictions problem. So we are always talking about the nature of innovation is started from solving contradictions. So today is the extension innovation method step 2 and extension for using conjunction analysis. Now the third part is the latent and appearance conjunction. What it is considered about, it is considered from the dynamic nature of the things. We are always talking about the latent and appearance conjunction analysis from the potential part of things. We call it as the latent part. The manifested part of things we call it the appearance part. There actually are two types of post occurrence of latent part. It means positive or negative after it becomes apparent. In quality management, it is often said the problem seems at the tip of the iceberg, and many potential problems have not discovered. Another time is the enterprise develop new markets, and they usually use the marketing survey to predict how many potential customers there are, and so as to produce the right amount of products. And other examples, entrepreneurs find their best to reveal the positive potential part of the product. On the contrary, to hate the negative potential part. So I'm talking about quality management. One of very important is the lean production. It is a main task to create equal or high value with the same or less amount of the work. But the first, they have the principle to avoid potential waste. For example, Toyota's 7 race, because 7 motor refer to the motion, inventory, transportation, rating, overproduction, overprocessing, and defect. I rearrange these 7 motors and become MIT word. It's very easy to remember. And everyone wants to remove the potential waste and not to be the manifest. At the end, the 8th potential waste item that people add afterwards is the staff creativity. It is potential advantage that management trying to show the creativity of its staffs. It's the 8th waste is unused employee creativity. So today I plan to introduce the latent and apparent conjunction. At the end, I use the Professor Troyman's photo to give the conclusion that it is let us to establish Chinese original new science discipline Extenics and base it to achieve a culture of innovation. Thank you for your attention. See you in next class. Bye.